An Apple VR/AR headset has been rumored for over 6 years and it is finally here. At WWDC 2023, the tech giant announced the Vision Pro, a headset that is meant to take mixed reality experiences to the next level. During the keynote, Apple announced several features that differentiate the Vision Pro headset from the rest of the market, including eye and hand tracking, a pocket battery pack, and a new Vision OS operating system powering the unit. Apple will be selling the headset for $3,499, which raised the biggest question: is it worth it? The design of the Vision Pro is different from a lot of existing AR/VR headsets in that it has an external battery pack that resembles the size of an iPhone and connects to the headset via a cable. Therefore, a user would have to place the battery in their pocket and deal with a dangling cable when using the Vision Pro. By having a tethered battery system, Apple was able to reduce the weight of the Vision Pro headset to make it noticeably lighter than the competition. The look of the Vision Pro itself resembles ski goggles, and its curved front has an external screen that allows the wearer's eyes to be seen when approached by others through a feature called EyeSight. The device features two OLED displays that together pack a total of 23 million pixels, more than a 4K TV for each eye. Apple's M2 chip, 12 cameras, 5 sensors, 6 microphones, and the popular voice assistant Siri. It also features a brand new chip, R1, which runs in parallel with M2 to ensure that there is no lag. The headset has two individually amplified drivers inside each audio pad to power its personalized spatial audio. To switch between AR and VR, the headset will have a crown similar to the one found on the Apple Watch. Vision Pro runs on a new Apple operating system, Vision OS, which resembles the iPad OS interface, bringing the continuity of Apple's apps and services ecosystem to the headset. The operating system was created to support spatial computing. The headset is capable of running popular Apple applications including books, camera, contacts, FaceTime, mail, maps, messages, music, notes, photos, Safari, and more in mixed reality, a blend of both AR and VR. According to Apple, the apps will feel like they are in your natural space and environment. As a result, moving apps is a similar experience to moving actual items around you. Immersive video is one of the biggest selling points of the device, allowing users to feel as if they were physically present in the space a video is taking place. For example, with the headset, you can stream a movie and watch it as if it was playing on a giant screen in another environment, such as the beach, with immersive spatial audio. The Vision Pro headset will also be compatible with existing third-party content to ease the continuity between your favorite applications and the headset. For example, Disney Plus will be available on the headset from day one. The Vision Pro has a hefty price tag of $3,499, setting its premium category from the likes of Meta, HTC, and other manufacturers who have played in sub-$1,000 range. Despite being unveiled at WWDC, the Vision Pro headset won't be shipping until early next year. You can't pre-order the wearable at apple.com yet either. When it is available, Apple says you will be able to visit the Apple Store to get a demo and even personalize your fit.